Dental implants are fantastic because we are able to replace a single tooth without having to do a bridge, which would damage the teeth on either side of the space. So it's a minimally invasive way to replace a missing tooth. It's also very, very aesthetic because it looks like a natural tooth. It functions like a natural tooth, but it's better than a natural tooth because you can't ever get a cavity or need a root canal on it. As long as you maintain an implant, they last longer than any other restoration that I can place in your mouth to restore missing teeth. They improve your quality of life by allowing you to function, not only speech. If we have an implant in the anterior region, we can maintain your speech processes like you have natural teeth. When you do a bridge, sometimes air moves differently and we'll have whistling sounds, but with an implant, it's just like a natural tooth. Also functioning. You're able to chew very well on them. They're very stable restorations. Things don't get stuck under them like they do a denture or a bridge of any kind, so they're really, really comfortable restorations.